As the weather gets colder, our skin starts to feel it. So today I am sharing 5 easy tips to winterify your skincare routine and keep your skin glowing all season long. Hello friends, if you're new here, my name is Karah, owner of Karah's Beauty Bar, licensed esthetician, and professional makeup artist. I'm here to help you with all your skincare and makeup needs. And if your skin needs a little TLC this winter, here are 5 steps you'll want to add to your skincare routine. So our first tip is to switch to a cream or hydrating cleanser. In winter, it's extra important to be gentle with your skin. If you're using a gel or foaming cleanser, try switching to a cream or hydrating formula. These cleansers cleanse the skin effectively while protecting your skin barrier and preventing that tight, dry feeling after washing. So I'll recommend some products and I'll add some pictures up on the screen, but some cream cleansers that I've used in the past that I really like are the Mary Kay Hydrating Cleanser or the 4-in-1 Cleanser, and then the Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. Tip number 2 is actually my favorite. Exfoliation is key. When the air is dry, dead skin can build up faster, blocking your product from absorbing properly. So using an exfoliator once or twice a week will help smooth your skin and restore your natural glow. Think of it as polishing your skin before adding all that hydration. Some of my product recommendations, I really love the Mary Kay Microdermabrasion, but you can also use the Murad AHA and BHA Exfoliating Cleanser or the Murad Daily Clarifying Exfoliating Peel. Speaking of hydration, my tip number 3 is to try adding a hydrating mask weekly. It gives your skin a moisture bath and leaves it plump, soft, and refreshed. Plus, it's a perfect excuse for a little self-care night with candles, music, fuzzy socks, a book, the works. Some products that I recommend for this, I really like using the Mary Kay Renewing Gel Mask. They also have these limited edition hydrating sheets, or they have these biocellulose masks if you're looking for an extra anti-aging mask to go with it. And then Murad actually has a cellular hydration repair mask as well. Okay, so if you are loving these tips and want to see exactly how to transition your skincare for the winter, plus learn my full routine and favorite product pairings, you'll definitely want to join my sweater weather skincare event. It is happening in my VIP beauty community. We'll dive deeper into winter skincare do's and don'ts. I'll demo my favorite products, and you can even try them with me. Just click the link in the description to join the community and order an optional sample package to follow along. There will be a replay available, and the package comes with a full-size product and everything you need if you choose to participate. So I really hope you go and check it out. Okay, so tip number 4 is to layer hydration. So this can mean layering a serum and a moisturizer or multiple moisturizers. Start with a hydrating serum. Something with hyaluronic acid is always a good option. Then follow with your moisturizer. You can even layer different types of moisturizers for even more moisture. This pulls moisture into your skin and seals it in, giving your skin a double dose of comfort. So if you want to add moisturizing serums into your skincare, I recommend the Mary Kay HA Ceramide Hydrator Booster or the Replenishing Serum C +E. Or some options from Murad is the Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Serum, or let me say this right, the Elixir Recovery Serum. And then if you're looking for extra hydration, try using multiple moisturizers or thicker moisturizers like the Mary Kay Intense Moisturizing Cream or Murad Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Cream. And finally, tip number 5, here's a simple lifestyle tip, not really a skincare tip, but add a humidifier to your bedroom. Between heaters and cold air, our skin loses a lot of moisture overnight. A humidifier helps put hydration back into the air so your skin stays soft and dewy while you sleep. And that's it, your 5 easy tips to winterify your skincare routine. Let me know in the comments which tip you're trying first, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!